TDLT.
I don't like you girls thinking I'm sexy and then not getting me a fucking boom.
Paul, do the funny noise.
Actually, that was a bad one.
Just do, just do TDLT.
Dude, these bitches. These bitches. No. These bitches. You don't want to talk about these bitches. They suck.
Are they TDLT or no?
Nah, the bitches here suck. Dude.
There's no one here.
Yeah, my point. They suck.
Paul, do the funny noise.
No, 'cause they suck.
Funny noise.